Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But now overall, yeah, a rough day with a big gap down, of course. But after today started, overall, a very impressive movement, especially when you consider that at one point the price was all the way down here. And since then, the price has been able to get a nice bounce back to the upside. Now that does, and I should note real quick, that the reason I have the chart looking like this is it's just much harder to see. So yes, there was that massive gap down, but this is all taking it from after the gap down took place. Like I said, when I move the chart over like this, it just becomes easier to see. So there we go. So, but a point here being, as I was saying, from the lows to the move upwards, definitely a great move, but that does lead to the more than valid question of, yeah, but I mean, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about a single level, and that level is down here at the $3 mark. Why is $3 important? And I'm not saying this will occur, but one potential scenario is that the price comes here down to $3 and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that the price just broke out of. Again, going back, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas on the flip side of things, maybe the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined right there at $3. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, main level to watch going forward. In the near term, going to be right up there at the round number of $4. And then if $4 can be broken, nothing fancy or complicated behind that other than the fact of where the party stopped earlier on, and that was right up around $4.45. But all in all, nice bounce. Now it's just a question of can the price continue to build upon this movement, going forward. We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.